This is the wide and a spacious living area where you can, so this is the two parallel platforms. This is this wide and a spacious master bedroom where you can keep your bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. A very warm welcome to all of you. So today in this video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of 1 BHK Shraddha Gold Crest developed by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited, Ghanshyam Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai. I am here at the main entrance of this project. This is the actual site and this is the surrounding of the project. Before going ahead, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview of Shraddha Gold Crest that will be constructed over 0.68 acre of land parcel having one tower. Each tower will be having ground plus 4 level of podium plus 23 story residential floors having premium residences of 1 and 2 BHK. Now talking about the amenities part. This project has 15 plus luxurious amenities with likes of gymnasium, kids play area, senior citizens sit out area, yoga and meditation area and much more. Now talking about the location part. This project is located near SV Road, Ghanshyam Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, MG Road is just 500 meters away from this project. Dhanukarwadi metro station is just 2.2 km away from this project, and D-Mart, your and my favorite, is just 2.5 km away from the project. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Yamin. Today we'll be doing a sample flat tour of 1 BHK with balcony. Configuration is 487 square feet carpet area. This is the entrance of the sample flat. As you come inside, you can see an entrance lobby. You can put the shoe rack or use it for decorative purpose. Ahead, this is the wide and a spacious living area where you can put your sofa, your television and AC. Ahead, I would love to take you to the balcony area, which is having an anti-skid tiling, iron glass railing with 4-sided cupboard. Now it's time to have a dining area. So this is the wide and a spacious dining area where 5-6 people can sit and have their dinners fabulously with some family members. Now I would love to take you to the kitchen area. So this is the two parallel platforms. This is this place for the shelf area. You can put your Indian spices here. This is the area to keep your refrigerator. Ahead, so this is the area where you can keep your washing machine. And also ahead you can see a dry balcony where you can use it for storage purpose or anything what you like in the kitchen area. So now let me take you to the common washroom. So this is the common washroom with again anti-skid tiling, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as part of your furnishing. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey key features is. Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedules and 360-degree location tour. All these under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. Come on. So this is the wide and a spacious master bedroom with the attached washroom. So come here, I'll give you a close-up of the washroom with the anti-skid tiling, CP-centric fittings, designer vitrified tiles as part of your furnishing. Moving ahead, you can see a wide and a spacious master bedroom where you can keep your bed, your television and an AC. Now, again you will be having a long ventilated lightning window just to give you a nice view through this window with the iron railing to have a nice coffee time in the evening. Also, अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, please mention it in the comment box. Do not forget to click on the I button to have an entire project detail so that you don't have to roam here and there in search for the details. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. Please visit the website www.housey.com. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.